Good morning, Scots. Happy Friday. I'm Isabella.
And I'm Celeste. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
And I'm Lily, and we're kicking off today's show with some shout-outs you do not want to miss.
First shout out of the day goes to real MVPs, our teachers.
In case you didn't know, this week is Teachers Appreciation Week.
So, let's show some love, Scots. Say thank you to your teachers for everything that they've done this year.
Next, shout out goes to the backbone of our campus, our classified staff.
That's right. It's Classified Staff Appreciation Week starting next week.
From the front office to the custodians, security, cafeteria staff, and beyond, we see you and appreciate everything that you guys do.
Scots, make some noise and show love to the people who keep this school running every single day. And finally, big shout out for Nurse Week to the one and only Molly Webb, our amazing Highland nurse.
Miss Webb out here saving the day, one ice pack at a time.
We appreciate everything that you do. Keep doing your thing.
All right, Scots, now let's get into the school announcements.
First up, today's the grand opening of the Highland Threads thrift store. That's right, it's happening today during lunch. You don't want to miss it. Pull up to room 3G during lunch and check it out. Come through, browse the inventory, and level up your style, Scots. Everything's available using your plaid points. Just trade your points for a ticket to shop. 10 points to get you one clothing, simple as that. Don't miss your chance to find hidden gems, show off your drip, and support something new on campus. Pull up, shop smart, stay fresh.
Next up, Highland High School FFA is hosting the Scotsman Market, and you're invited. This event is happening tomorrow, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. at 2900 Royal Scots Way at the farm. There's going to be something for everyone: plants, food, vendors, and community activities. Plus, don't miss the petting zoo and a fresh flower truck. Bring your friends, bring your family, and come support our FFA students. It's all happening at the Scotsman Market. You don't want to miss it.
Finally, Highlands Creative Writing Club is back with an amazing opportunity to give back. They're kicking off their second letter writing campaign to support firefighters across Kern County. This is your chance to make a real impact. Write letters or cards filled with encouragement and appreciation for the heroes who serve our community every day. Who can participate? Everybody. Where to turn them in? Miss Chapa in room 3B. Deadline is May 15th. Let's show our support, Scots. A few kind words can go a really long way.
Don't go anywhere. This isn't a pop quiz, we promise.
We're just getting started. No late passes needed.
A huge thank you to our amazing interpreters for helping create communication, inclusion, and support for students every day on campus. If you see an interpreter today, make sure to show them some appreciation. Happy ASL Interpreter Week, Scots.
Quick reminder, cell phones should be silenced and put away during class time unless your teacher gives permission for educational use.
When phones are away, minds are on, focus gets stronger, and everyone has a better chance to learn and succeed.
Please make sure your phone is in your backpack or designated area before class begins.
Remember, if your phone rings during class, it better be calling to apologize.
Repeated misuse may result in school consequences according to campus policy.
Let's team up to keep our classroom distraction-free, respectful, and ready for greatness.
Hey Scots, May is officially Mental Health Awareness Month here at Highland, and today during lunch we've got something special happening in the quad. Stop by and take the pledge to care for your mental health and support others around you. Plus, you can spin the wheel for a chance to win some awesome Highland High School swag. That's right, support a great cause and score some Highland gear. Don't miss out, Scots. Head to the quad during lunch and be ready to show your Highland pride.
Seniors. Tickets for Senior Sunset and Senior Breakfast are on sale now at the finance office. Sale ends on May 15th. You must have your student ID or your student be logged in and ready before coming to the finance office.
Welcome back, Scots. I hope you stretched because these highlights might pull your hamstring.
It's time for sports, where running is optional, unless you're late to class.
What's up, Scots? I'm Frankie Barra.
And I'm Adrian Quadras, and welcome back to sports.
Uniform check-in starts next week.
May 11th through May 14th, please return everything to Coach Dawson's 2C.
Coach Dawson will be available during passing, lunch periods, and 15 minutes after school ends.
If you don't, it'll result to a fee and you won't be able to participate in fall sports.
Let's wrap this up strong.
It's game time, Scots. Here's what's going down this Friday.
Starting off strong, our swimmers are competing in the CIF Central Section Division II Championships.
That's happening at the Current High School District Aquatics Complex. Go show some love.
Varsity boys tennis is also in action at the CIF Central Section South Area Championships.
Matches are taking place at Stockdale High. Go wish them luck.
Now let's talk baseball and softball matchups against Ridgeview.
Freshman baseball is on the road at Ridgeview High 4 through 6:30.
And freshman softball is right there with them, also at Ridgeview at the same time.
Meanwhile, at Highland, JV and varsity baseball against Ridgeview. First pitch at 4 p.m., so come show your support.
And don't forget, JV and varsity are also at home battling against Ridgeview right at Highland.
Plenty of action happening, Scots. Get out there and show your support.
Thanks for the update.
Check out this video from Chloe.
Hello Scots, welcome back to another episode of Chloe 101. Today's video is just going to be a random video where I'm going to go around and ask Scots different kinds of questions. So let's go. Would you rather be invisible forever or read people's mind forever?
Read people's minds. Probably read people's minds.
If you were a unicorn, would you rather poop out sprinkles or glitter? Glitter. I agree. Burgers or tacos?
I'll pick tacos.
Dancing or singing?
Singing.
Never mind. I'm sorry. We're in the theater room and they know how to act. So SpongeBob or Patrick?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
Hi, Patrick.
Good job. I hope you guys enjoyed this random interview that I did. And now we're going to move on to a different topic for those who are struggling studying for finals that are going to be coming up real soon. So let's go. Boom. Do you go into class and not understand a single topic that they teach you? Well, this is the way to go. Let me show you. Here is the library. There's after-school tutoring on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So if you want to get one-on-one teaching time, come in here because they'll help you prepare for your finals. Marquez, I need help.
I already told you. When there's an increase in demand, the curve shifts to the right.
Oh, yes.
If there's a decrease, it shifts to the left.
Okay, thank you. That helps. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Chloe 101 and stay tuned for my last 2 episodes. Bye, Scots.
Thank you, Chloe.
Now here's a quick video.
I don't know how to use that camera.
Zane, you ain't doing no work. Give me your phone, man. You have a cell phone addiction. Zane, you gotta be kidding me. Another phone? Let me see that thing. Get the work done, man. You need to graduate. A third phone, Zane? You gotta be kidding me, man. How do you get stuff done around here? And you're part of the water polo team and the swim team? Wow, Zane, come on.
I'll get it done.
Zane, you're down bad. The fourth phone? You gotta be kidding me, man. Come on, give me this one. All right, Zane, you gotta be honest with me. You have another one? Don't tell. Come on, Zane. The 5th phone?
I'll get it done.
Get it done, man. You're about to graduate like in 6 weeks.
Finally done. I finished my works of all of them. Man, you need these phones taken away.
What's going on? What?
You got bad.
What? Oh, that's messed up, man. I need those cell phones.
That's a wrap for today, Scott. We'll catch you back right here next week. And always, don't forget to flat up.